Friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last class we discussed about one type of problem only in velocity diagram. So now we are going to discuss velocity diagram and as well as angular acceleration diagram. So further, this is our problem. So now a reciprocating engine mechanism shown in figure. So he given in question diagram. So the crank is CB is equal to 10 centimeter and connecting rod BA is equal to 30 centimeter with the center of gravity G is equals to 10 centimeter. So how it is from point B to G is 10 centimeter. In the position shows the crank has a velocity of 75 radians per second and have a acceleration alpha is equals to 1200 radians per second square. So we want to find the velocity and acceleration of G. G also we want to find. So next to draw the acceleration, angular velocity and angular acceleration AB. So this is a problem he given. So this is our diagram. So he given in question already, we don't bother about. So according to that he given information, we want to draw in chart. So with what means we know already. So by using scalar ratios, according to that we want to draw this simple diagram. So it is a reciprocating engine. So see, this is a slider. When it is moving in a clockwise direction, at that time the link it will move downward direction. So for that this link will move because of slider, no, it will move backside. So backside. So this is a mechanism. For that he given a information CB is equal to 10 centimeter. CB he given in question CB, this length is 10 centimeter and AB is the length of 30 centimeter. And next point he given G here. So this is the distance from G to B is 10 centimeter he given in question. Next omega given. It means how much angle it is, how much speed it is moving. 75 radians per second this is moving. Next alpha. Why in last question they given only omega. So next why he given in alpha means because of this alpha only we are going to calculate the angular acceleration diagrams here. So he given alpha also. So we can understand when he given a alpha, at that time we want to draw the angular acceleration diagrams. So next, now after construction of this space diagram according to given equation, now same as it is, first of all we want to draw the velocity diagram. For that, so next fix a drafter scale here, A, B, C. This is a simple mechanism. So next point B to C. So this is the only moving with an angle of 120 degrees. It is an angle. So now BC is moving because it is a crank. Always crank only moves. So when it is moving like fix a drafter scale here C to B. So which is a perpendicular. So fix a point here because it is moving in clockwise direction. That means it should be moving downward direction only. So next which is perpendicular, draw a line here lightly. So that is VBC. How we write means velocity. How much velocity is moving the link BC. VBC is nothing but velocity of BC. How much velocity is this link moving? So that is VBC. Next after that the link AB. So fix a drafter scale here and which is perpendicular to this link. Draw a light line here because in this direction this link moving. So when it is moving like this, it is moving in upward direction. So VBA, that means velocity of AB. How much velocity this link moving? So that is VAB. So next, now calculation. So we already know in last class also we discussed velocity of calculation law. At that time V is equals to R omega or omega into R, either whatever we can write. So next for the link BC, for this VBC is equals to omega BC, that means speed of this link into length of this link. Speed means omega, he given in question, see here 75 radius. And next R is nothing but BC link radius, he given in question 10. 75 into 10 means 750 centimeter per seconds. So now you should be converted into meter per seconds. So that equals to 7.5 meter per seconds. So divided by 1000 means we get a 7.5 meter per seconds. After this we are going to draw the velocity diagram. So now first link CB, fix a drafter scale here which is perpendicular. The link, first of all we want to make a one fixed points which are linked, which links are fixed. C is a point is fixed link and S is a slider which is moving. So for that C comma S. So first of all in space diagram we use the notations capital A. Next velocity diagram small letters. Next angular acceleration small letters with dash, A dash. Like that we want to use the notations. So because the difference should be known by this. So next after fixing this C comma S because both are fixed link. Next BC is a moving link, first link. So next fixed drafter scale here which is moving perpendicular direction. No, that means downward direction. Fixed drafter here and take this line, this I am drawing approximately. So which is the direction of this, which is in the downward direction. No, for that time we want to fix like this and take a point and draw a one line. How much length means here we know we find that BC, velocity of BC is 7.5 meter per seconds. According to that we want to take a line here, draw a line here like this. So next after completion of the BC we want to go to the AB. So here also we know only magnitude, we don't know we know only direction, not magnitude. So how much length is we don't know. Fixed drafter scale here. So in this direction it is moving. So next come. So it is moving B to A. So like a draw here and fix a drafter scale here and make a line here. So we know only direction but don't know the magnitude. So we can draw how much a line we can extend, no problem at all. So next according to the polygon line should be closed because it is in same line, same axis. No, for that AC is a fixed link considered. Fixed drafter scale here. How much this is a angle? So fixed drafter scale again here C comma S and then a draw. So then it is closed path. Then it is a point A. So here then we get our magnitude. Here only direction we know here according to the space diagram. When coming to the velocity diagram we can find the magnitude also. So AB when measured from this here we get a AB value. So that is the velocity of AB. Next location of G. He given in space diagram G at a distance of 10 centimeter. Now where we want to draw a space diagram. So that is one calculation. So how to location of G in this space diagram. So nothing but velocity from space diagram and velocity diagram. So AB we know total length AB is 30 by BG. He given in question. He given AB by BG total length divided by this small length. AB by BG is equals to next velocity diagram. So here AB we know by measuring this by the drafter scale we can measure this value. How much means it is a 3.5 mm. At that time this length we know but this length we don't know. We want to find this length. How we want to find means AB by BG. AB by BG divide is equals to AB by BG. This value we don't know. Total తెలుసు ఈ రోజు తెలుసు మనకి అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి BG. So now we want to rewrite like this. So AB value we know 30. Next BG value 10 is equals to AB. We want to measure this length by the velocity diagram. So 3.5 we have to write here 3.5 by BG. BG is unknown here. So now rewrite the formula like this. So this is unknown. No, for that we want to find this like this. BG is equals to 30 by 10 into AB. AB is nothing but length which is measured in velocity diagram. So this is a length. So if you substitute in Casio we get some value here. This is a distance from point B to G. How much we get to here answer? That much of length we can remove and mention here one point. That is the location of G here. So now we completed the velocity diagram. So now we are going to draw the angular acceleration diagrams. So for that we want to do some calculation before that. So now when this is angle BC is moving, at that time it is moving in clockwise direction. So it is moving in downward direction. So for that angular AR BC plus AT BC indicates that AR is indicate radial direction. So radial direction means this is the direction of radial, that means along the link. So same length, that means same motion, that means radial in same direction. Tangential means which is perpendicular moving. This is the length, this link is BC. So this is a BC is moving in tangential, that means perpendicularly it is moving. That means this is that meaning. So next AR BC is equals to nothing but omega into length of BC. Already we know this is V is equals to omega into R. So here square we are indicating, adding square only. This is a only we are changing here. So omega square BC into length of BC. Length of BC is nothing but this is the length of BC. Omega is nothing but this angular velocity. So he given in question 75 radian square. That is 75 square into 10. So then we get this value. So we want to divide by 1000. Then it should be meter per second square. Next tangential of BC. So BC is a link which is perpendicular. That means tangential is perpendicular. So for that alpha into length of this link, alpha he given in question 200 radians per second. This link length is 10 centimeter. That is the length here. So 1200 into 10 he given in question 1200, 10 also he given in length of the link. So then we get 12,000 centimeter per second square. So it should be converted into meter per seconds. So next, after calculating these values, we want to draw the angular acceleration diagrams. So now after fixing the points C dash comma S dash, so we already know C dash, S dash, why they are indicating. So for difference from space diagram to velocity diagram to acceleration diagram, there should be difference. For that they are indicated like this. So after fixing up this, so when a link is BC is moving, so this is radial direction, means fix a drafter scale here. So then they say without any change in direction, come to this point here C comma S dash. So draw how much length, means this is a length. We want to take here scale. According to the scale, we want to take a length here. We can draw. After that, next it is a tangential. Tangential means perpendicular. So now fix a drafter scale here in this direction. Then take it, come to the here. After the point B, we get a here B dash. So which is perpendicular. So we can draw here like this. After this, we want to just join these join two links by dotted lines. So next we get this diagram. Now we want to find a BC we completed. Now AB we want to find here. How means here also AR AB plus AT AB, radial direction plus tangential. Its radial direction is this one. This is the direction of radial. So its tangential direction is this is the perpendicular direction. So here we don't know how much angle it is moving, omega. So we want to find here, and length of the AB he given in question. Omega how we can measure means from the velocity diagram. Velocity diagram AB we know by length of this link. AB we know length of this AB is 30. So 30 AB is measured from the velocity diagram. If we measure here length here, so we can get 3.5 here. So 3.5 by 3.5 square by 30. Length of this is 30. So then we get some value. So according to that we want to draw. Next now tangential of AB is alpha into length of AB. Same here, what are the formulas we are using? Same formulas only here. According to the number of links. So here only these two. So next if it is critical diagram, at that time there is another link. So for that also we want to find the radial direction and tangential. For every link there is a two calculation, radial and tangential. So now here radial is we completed. Now tangential. Tangential is also alpha into length of the link. So alpha means we here also we don't know. He given only one omega and one alpha value. So another link we don't know. We want to find by these formulas. Alpha is YA dash by 30. YA dash means what? It is coming from the acceleration diagram. We want to measure this length. So after measuring of this length, we can add here. So that length by 30. Length of the AB is 30. So then we get a 18.33 radians per second square. So according to that, we want to take a scale here. Next, we want to draw the diagram here. So we completed one for the BC. We completed now AB. So now fix a drafter scale here. After fixing, come to this is radial we are drawing. So now after completion of the point B here draw how much length means we calculated here. That much of length we want to draw here. Radial direction. So now perpendicular direction. So which is perpendicular to this? This is the direction of perpendicular. So fix a drafter scale and come to the here after ending point. So and draw a one dotted line. So this is the tangential diagram. So then we get it should be closed part no, because of this is in same direction. For that we want to fix a drafter scale here in this position and come to here after C comma S then we can draw one line here. So after that the all point will be meet somewhere. At that time just we want to draw a by using scale we can draw join them. So then we get a this is a angular acceleration diagram. So we don't know. So next n number of link means if it is another one link, so at that time we can go for another link. Next location of G. So here also we find a location of G. So in same way we are finding here also. So how we can find means same from the acceleration diagram and the space diagram. So here we find a from velocity how means velocity diagram or from space diagram. So here acceleration and space diagram. So whatever that may be. So a dash b dash by b dash g dash. A dash, see here a dash b dash by b dash g dash. So we don't know this length. Total length we know. How means by measuring this length. So by measuring this length 6 we get. So 6 by how much this is we don't know. So we want to find that. Next AB. AB we know here from the space diagram. 30. 30 by BG we know 10. 30 by 10 all we know except b dash g dash. So b dash g dash we don't know, that only we want to find. Take it out. B dash g dash is equals to AB by BG into A dash B dash. So these all values we know. If we substitute in Casios we can get some value. So from B dash to this length we get. So then locate the point G dash. So then we get a location of G dash here also. So this is a velocity angular velocity diagram. This is the acceleration diagram. So this is the process we use. So simple formulas for this one. So here according to this V is equals to omega into R. Omega into R, this formula only depends upon, but some minor changes only. So this is a whole diagram of acceleration diagram. So thank you for watching this video.